I'll teach you everything else you need to know about the string library in 5 minutes. Alright, let's start off with an easy one. String.reverse. It just reverses whatever string you give it. Let's say I want to reverse this completely randomly generated string. Eyes of Faith is amazing. Oh my goodness, what in the world? How did that happen? That was just a random string and it just so happens to be that in reverse. Wow. String.sub is just basically splices out a section of the string. It takes in a string, so let's give it the string we've been using. Then it takes in the first and last position and it slices that section out. For example, let's slice out 7 to 17. It prints my name is because the 7th starts right here and the 17 goes up to here. So that's the part that it sliced out of here. That's what it does. You give it the string, starting point here, the ending point, and then it returns that section. Let's say I just wanted the eyes with the exclamation mark. Well, an easy way to do this is to start here and go to here. But we don't have to count all this. We can start counting backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And instead of writing 5, we write -5. If we were counting normally with a positive number, it'd be like 1, 2, 3 from that side. But with a negative number, we start counting this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to finish here, to get the last character, this exclamation mark, we want to end at -1. Because if you're counting this way, 1 in that direction is at the exclamation mark. So -5 to -1. And it prints out eyes. String.gsub, you can tell it's already going to be a little bit similar. It can take in many arguments. The first one is the string you want to manipulate, of course. So str. The second is the part that you want to replace. So let's say we want to replace the string of eyes. And the third argument is what you want to replace it with. So change it to none of your business. And let's run that. Hello, my name is none of your business. So we gave it this string. It's looking for eyes. It's looking. Oh, I found eyes. And now I have to replace eyes with whatever this is. And it's none of your business. But there is a fourth argument that's optional. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Like, what if the string is B, 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 and I want to replace the B with an A. So let's say I want to replace the first 3 B's with an A. That's when we use the fourth optional argument, which is the replacement. It takes in a number. And let's say if we give it 3, it's going to look for a B, replace it, keep looking. Oh, I found another B. We got to replace it, and it's going to keep looking until it finds 3 B's and replaces them with an A. Let's look at that in action. Bam. This isn't part of the string library, but I thought it's really useful, and it's about time I showed you guys, long overdue to be honest. But if we want to combine these two strings into one, let's say string AB, all we have to do is combine string A and do dot dot string B. And now when we print string AB, it'll print a combination of both of those together. Hello world. It doesn't have to be variables, of course. Any string you put in here, like whatever. And it'll combine, just do 2 dots and you can combine as many strings as you'd like.